What's up guys, and welcome back to Tech Plant. Today we are on scene at a small pond and we're going to find some wood frogs. Let's check it out.
Here's just to kind of set the scene. I'm just walking around with a light and a camera through this water. I probably look like a crazy person to anybody walking by, but it is worth it. Also, a quick correction, these are not wood frogs. I thought they were, but as I kind of discovered, these are actually chorus frogs. And you can totally tell by how loud they are. At first I just kind of walked along the shore because I was kind of thinking they're more terrestrial. But later I found that they are kind of out in the middle, just sitting on any sort of floating debris. The chorus frog is one of the first frogs to kind of emerge in spring, so it makes sense because it's awfully early to be hearing these guys, but that's kind of their characteristic. Once I got the hang of kind of seeing them, I got some really nice footage, so let's just take a look. The sound these guys make was actually extremely ear-piercing and super loud. It was actually shocking to me. The other difficulty was walking around in this water. It was really cold, and trying to keep my camera at water level without actually falling in was quite a difficult process. But I think it was totally worth it given the footage. I don't know for sure, but I believe these guys are trying to call for mates, and here we have a female that's kind of come closer to take a little look. She doesn't seem too pleased. I thought this one was pretty because its little chin or bubble or whatever you want to call that was awfully yellow and just had a different kind of look than the rest of them. He'll probably have no problem getting a mate. On the first night there was some large toads which had a really beautiful call, but they would not let me get close to them, so this is all I have. This little guy here, his chin became huge. It almost looks like he's blowing bubble gum or something, but I'm shocked that it can expand so large without popping or tearing. Here we have another female which looks to be listening to this guy's song. He seems to be doing pretty good and he has her quite enthralled. Here's some footage where I actually took a microphone and held it inches away from the frog so you can hear his call soloed out. I lowered the resolution of the camera and filmed this one at 120 frames per second so we could put it in slow-mo, and look how incredible this is. It's really cool to see exactly how the call happens, and it sounds strange in slow-mo.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. It was super cool to see those things up so close and personal. As always guys, may your plants go strong and healthy. I'll see you next time.